Welcome to today's video. We're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for the future of Ethiopian students and the country's growth overall. First, there's the need for more real-life project opportunities and how Intertech Hub is helping make that a reality. Many Ethiopian students are driven, ambitious, and capable. Still, there's a missing link: access to practical, hands-on experiences that allow them to apply what they learn in the classroom to the real world. That's where Intertech Hub steps in to bridge this gap. In many Ethiopian institutions, the focus is still heavily theoretical. Students excel in exams and complete their studies, but when it comes to practical application, there's a gap. While theory is essential, practical experience allows students to connect knowledge with real-world skills. And this is where Intertech Hub provides crucial support through hands-on projects, for example. An engineering student may excel in theory but struggle in a real-world engineering project due to lack of hands-on experience. This issue is not limited to engineering, it's present across various fields, from business to computer science. Why real-life projects matter? Real-life projects are where true learning happens. They push students to think critically, problem solve, and adapt to unexpected challenges, skills that are crucial for any career. Intertech Hub's programs give students these experiences, preparing them to navigate real-world work environments with confidence and resilience. Moreover, Intertech Hub connects students with industry professionals, providing invaluable mentorship. These mentors guide students through challenges, giving them insight into their chosen fields and offering them a real glimpse into what it takes to succeed. Benefits for the economy and society. The impact of practical experience extends beyond individual students. It contributes to Africa's economy by building a workforce ready for the demands of the modern world. Intertech Hub's approach to project-based learning means that students graduate with ideas and skills that drive innovation, support entrepreneurship, and tackle local challenges head-on. So, how can we increase these opportunities? Intertech Hub have partner goal with educational institutions, local businesses, and government agencies to create practical programs, internships, and capstone projects that give students the hands-on experience they need. These partnerships will create a solid foundation for students and build valuable connections that benefit the entire community. In conclusion, real-life project opportunities for African students are essential. They build practical skills, foster innovation, and prepare students to be proactive contributors to Africa's economy. Intertech Hub is committed to making this a reality. Thank you for watching. If you agree that African students deserve more hands-on learning, share this video and join the conversation. Together with Intertech Hub, let's pave the way for a more skilled, capable, and empowered generation.